Want to explore Kuala Lumpur pero limited lang yung time nyo? I highly suggest the Kuala Lumpur City and Batu Caves combo tour for your trip. First stop, Batu Caves. This limestone hill is over 400 million years old and houses the Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Murugan. At itong golden statue niya, one of the tallest in the world. You'll climb 272 colorful steps leading to the main temple cave. Para siyang cathedral chamber with shrines and vibrant statues and intricate Hindu art. Ang ganda! It's not just a natural wonder, it's one of the most important Hindu pilgrimage sites outside of India. Screenshot mo rin pala to for extra savings on your bookings. Next, East Coast Batik Workshop. Batik has been part of Malaysian heritage for centuries. It's the traditional art of decorating fabric using wax and dye. Pinatry pa nga sa amin to mag-dye ng isang area. Then we went to Istana Negara, the official residence of Malaysia's king. Fun fact, Malaysia has a unique rotating monarchy system among its 9 royal families. Here, pwede ka magpa-picture pero sa labas lang since the inside is not open for the public. After that, we went to the National Mosque or Masjid Negara. Built in 1965, it symbolizes Malaysia's independence and unity. Maganda din dito mag-picture. And finally, Merdeka Square. This is where Malaysia declared independence from the British noong 1957. Yung giant flagpole here is one of the tallest in the world na symbol of their freedom. Nandito din yung I Love Kuala Lumpur backdrop for photo ops. Afterwards, we went to the River of Life where the Klang and Gombak rivers meet. Guys, so nasa River of Life na tayo, ang ating final stop for this tour. This is actually where Kuala Lumpur started as a small tin mining town. Now, ni-rehabilitate na siya, tapos at night may blue lights and mist that make it super magical. Tapos pwede kang dito nang magpababa, imbis na sa Petronas Towers, kung gusto mong pumunta ng Chinatown or ng Central Market. So just go sa Rex KL, an old cinema pero converted into a super cool creative space with indie shops, cafes, and art events. Yung original na drop-off naman sa Petronas Towers for the ultimate KL landmark. Like and follow po for more travel videos!